Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Assist. Today's video is based on how to mark all email as read. So now if you have a list of emails which are unread, so in order to mark them as a read, all you need to do is make sure to watch the video till the end. Now first go to your web browser or a Gmail account. Now on top there is a search bar, type mail.google.com, and if you are having confusion with the link, I will leave the link on the description box. So next you land inside a main inbox page. So here as you can see there are a list of emails that I have not opened yet. So in order to mark them as read, all I need to do is move towards my left hand side, and on top there is a box. So tap on the box. So once you tap on the box, all your emails will be selected. Now move towards your right hand side. So in the corner there is more or three dot icon. So tap on it. So as you tap on the three dot icon or more, so under it there is mark as read on the first step. So tap on it. And here as you can see that all my emails has been marked as read. And this is how you can mark all email as read on Gmail account. And that's all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.